Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we are with part 74, where we're talking about how you aren't what you do. And he says you're not what you do because as soon as you stop doing that, you no longer are. So there are a lot of people who stay in their dead-end jobs, who stay doing things they don't like because they have this role of I am what I do. Like there was a guy who's saying, I'm gonna stay in this job because who am I without this job? This guy really thinks he is what he does, but he's not, okay? We're all a lot more than what we do. Now, this is really hard to get down because people are always saying, oh, this guy is a scientist, this guy's a writer, this guy's a trader, this guy's a runner, this guy's like, all these kind of things. You have different labels that are put onto people all the time of what they are based on what they do. So we naturally have an inclination that then everybody must be just what they do. And so if we're all just what we do, then how do we get any better at anything? We don't really just start off being good at something. So if we start off everything as a failure, people don't want to be labeled as a failure. They're like, I'm not just going to keep failing at this, I'll just quit. But we can never learn anything new if we don't fail at it, okay? It's worth trying and doing our, we don't have to even do our best. Just like trying stuff out is important. Taking those kind of risks. And we naturally have this inclination away from that we're all just what we do. And instead, it's not that. We are so much more than what we do. We have so much potential, and we can just really live up to it. I think this principle is absolutely wonderful at pointing that out, and I think it's just pretty useful overall. You're not what you do. You are much more than what you do. Thanks everybody for watching. I will see you guys next time with part 75. So, stay tuned.